Today's a rainy day, so we are shopping. That's all there really is to do, which is not a bad thing. It's actually a fun thing. Was that scary? I like your new dress. Did you get this today? She got this today. She's pretty excited about it. So currently we're in the ABC shop. They have them everywhere here. They're really convenient. They have a lot of nice stuff here and a lot of nice souvenirs. You want to try the ocean?
Oh yeah.
You hear the ocean, right?
Something.
You hear the ocean? No? She's like, it's broken, I can't hear it. This shell has bad shell service. I picked something, you have to guess how much it actually cost. So we're gonna start here with this, I think it's a Cobb salad. How much do you think this Cobb salad cost?
8.
Maybe? You can go ahead and look at the bottom right there. What does it say?
Oh, okay,
yeah, you're close. You're close. All right. Okay, this interesting, like, spammy, eggy sushi thing. How much do you think it costs?
3.
Let me check it.
What's it?
Oh, a little overboard on that one. One more? This right here. This right here. This egg, rice, whatever.
6.
How much is it?
Oh, this is cheaper. $4.99.
Not too bad though. Looks very nice. Yeah. With one hand and spin it with the other hand. There you go. Faster. Exciting? Is it exciting? Okay, finished dinner. Pretty much we're finishing the whole day. We went shopping, played around a bit. It was rainy, but okay. Emily was still suffering from jet lag, so we're kind of trying to ease her into a new time zone and let her adjust. Tomorrow we're gonna do more stuff. We're gonna take a bus, go touring and stuff. And if the weather's good, we're gonna go to the beach. Anyways, till next video. Thanks for watching. As always, peace.